Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Agajanana Padmarkam, Gajanana Maharnisham, Anekadantam Bhaktanam, Ekadantam Upasmahe. Saraswati Namastubhyam, Varade Kamarupini, Vidyarambham Karishyami, Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Okay. So any questions or any doubts with any concepts so far that we have covered?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Devesh and Mahesh, how about you? You
No doubts, ma'am.
okay? Have you been studying? Don't postpone it. You study. The sooner you study, the better it will. You will memorize it, because once we discuss in the class, soon after that, at least within a week or 10 days, if you are able to go over that lesson, it will become easy for you. Okay. If you wait too long, then you will forget what we discussed about certain concepts, and then you might have to again listen to the recording or whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
Priya Bhagini, you also are okay?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'm also okay.
Okay, good. So last week we were on fifth lesson. We have to do the sandhi in the fifth lesson, right? Everything else we completed. So
Yeah.
let us do the Purva Savarna Sandhi. Purva Savarna Sandhi. So here, when the third letter of any varga, that is at the end of a word. So at the end of a word, if we have third letter of any varga, which is followed by ha, then the hakara is replaced with the fourth letter of that varga optionally. So sandhi always happens between two words. Okay, and actually the sandhi is happening between the two letters of the two words, the ending letter of the first word and the beginning letter of the second word. So when the first word ends with the third letter of any varga and the second word starts with her, then the her is replaced uh, with the fourth letter of that varga. With the fourth letter of which varga? Of the varga in which the first word is ending. Okay, so here we have two letters on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So the left hand side letter is the third letter of the varga, and if it is followed by a her, the her will be replaced by the fourth letter of the same varga of that um, same varga of which this third letter is. Okay, now let us see some examples and then you will understand. So Vag plus Harati. Vag plus Harati. So here Ga, it is third letter of the Ka varga. It is followed by Ha. So Ha will be replaced by fourth letter of the varga in which Ga is there, means Ka varga. So Gha. Gha is the fourth letter. So Vag Gharati. Then Shad plus Hayaha. Da. So Ta varga. Da is the third letter of the Ta varga. Dha is the fourth letter. So Ha will be replaced with the Dha and then Shadhaya. Okay, Shadhaya. Anantaram Tad plus Hitam. So Dakara is the third letter of the Ta varga followed by Ha. So Ha will be replaced by fourth letter, means Dha. Mahaprana Dha. So Tadhitam. Anantaram Ab plus Havihi. So Ba is from the Pa varga. The fourth letter of Pa varga is Bha. Mahaprana Bha. So Abhavihi. Abhavihi. Etad plus Hi. Etadhi. Okay. So basically we have to look for her on the right hand side. Means the second word should start with her. And the first word should end with the third letter of any varga. So that is what this Purva Savarna Sandhi. So Purva Savarna Sandhi. So ha is replaced with the Savarna of the Purva Padam. Savarna means Ga and Gha. They are of the same Varga. Right? So that is why Savarna word is used here. Same Varga as the Purva Akshara, as Ga. So in that way you can remember, relate it to the name of the Sandhi. Now let us see. Vanig plus Hasati. Vanig Hasati. Ab plus Hrasaha. Abhrasaha. Jagat plus Hitaya. Jagadhitaya. Padat plus Himam. Padadhimam. Samrad plus Hasati. Samradhasati. Suhrud plus Hrishtaha. Suhridhrishtaha. Shad plus Harmyani. Shadharmyani. It becomes Shad plus Harmyani. Shadharmyani. And then Vag plus Heenaha. Vagheenaha. Dhavad plus Harinaha. Dhavadharinaha. Tad plus Hi. Tadhi. Okay. So this is Purva Savarna Sandhi. The rule is pretty simple here. No confusion. So the second word will start with ha, and the first word will end with the third akshara of any varga, and ha will be replaced with the fourth akshara of the same varga. Okay. Then Chatva Sandhi. So let us see the rule here. When a Padanta Vargiya Vyanjanam is followed by a Shakara that has either a vowel or any of the letters ha, ya, va, ra next to it, the Shakara is optionally replaced by Chakara. Optionally. So this Sandhi can take place or need not take place also. So here again, the two aksharas are, the first akshara should be any Vargiya Vyanjanam. Okay. And if it is followed by a Shakara, and that Shakara again has to be followed by vowel or ha, ya, va, ra. Okay, the Shakara should be followed by a vowel or ha, ya, va, ra. Then the Shakara will be replaced with the Chakara. Okay, let us see some words and then we'll understand. Tad plus Shivaha. So Tad, Dakara. It is a Vargiya Vyanjanam. Followed by Sha, which is also followed by E. Shiva, right? So Shakara is followed by E, which is a vowel. So now here this Sha will be replaced with Cha. So it will become Tad Chivaha, right? But then again, we also have here Shutva Sandhi, right? We studied in the Shutva Sandhi. The Tha Varga, when it is followed by the Cha Varga, then the letters of the Tha Varga will be replaced with Cha Varga, right? So here Tha Varga, the belongs to Tha Varga, Tha, Tha, the, Dha, Na. And then it is followed by either Sha or Cha Varga. The Shutva Sandhi rule says when the Tha Varga letters are followed by either Shakara or any of the Sakara or the Tha Varga letters, when they are followed by Shakara or Cha Varga letters, then the former is replaced with the latter. That is what we have studied in Shutva Sandhi. So here the is Tha Varga letter, Tha, Tha, the, Dha. It is followed by Shakara. So here Shutva Sandhi rule is also being satisfied. So Shutva Sandhi happens and Dakara is replaced with the Chakara. Right? So here Tach plus Shivaha it becomes. And then the Shakara, Cha is still a Vargiya Vyanjana. Still a Vargiya Vyanjana is followed by Sha, Shakara, which is followed by a vowel E. So here the Chatva Sandhi comes in and it becomes Tachivaha. Okay. Okay. So Let us look at the next word. Tad plus shlokaha. Tat shlokaha. So basically the shakara is being replaced with chakara, mahaprana chakara, as per Chatva Sandhi, and the dakara is being replaced with chakara using the Chatva Sandhi, using the, sorry, Shutva Sandhi. And as per Shutva Sandhi, the dakara should be replaced with tha, will be replaced with cha, tha will be replaced with cha, da will be replaced with cha, cha, ja, right? It has to be actually replaced with ja. But there the chartva sandhi comes and it is replaced with the cha. That is how we get cha in place of the, right? You remember how we had the same question in Shutva Sandhi while doing Shutva Sandhi, and why sometimes when it has to be replaced with cha, it is being replaced with ja. Why? Because whatever letter it is being followed, it takes that for the ease of pronunciation. Here, since it is being followed with the cha, that is why the is replaced with the alpa prana cha, so that cha and cha both belong to the same varga, and the same sthana, they have the same sthana, so it becomes easy for the pronunciation. So Shutva Sandhi happens, Chartva Sandhi happens, and then the Chatva Sandhi happens. Okay, so here for the Chatva Sandhi to happen, before the Chatva Sandhi happens, Shutva Sandhi should also be applied. Shutva Sandhi and then Chartva Sandhi. Okay, do you guys remember the rule for the Chartva Sandhi? Anyone? Anyone who can tell the rule for Chartva Sandhi?
I think, is it when it is that Karkasha Vyanjanam?
Correct.
Is that it?
Yes,
Karkasha
yes.
Vyanjanam.
Yes. So when a
When it
Vargiya
is followed.
Vyanjanam, when a Vargiya Vyanjanam, other than the Varga Panchamaksharani, means that Anunasika Shabdas, Anunasika Aksharas are not included. Only when a Vargiya Vyanjanam, other than the Varga Panchamaksharani, is followed by a Karkasha Vyanjanam. Okay. Then in place of the former Vargiya Vyanjanam, the first letter of the same Varga is substituted. The first letter of the same Varga is substituted. That is Chartva Sandhi. Now let us again look at this word. Tad plus Shivaha. Okay. So here first we have Dakara. So we apply Shutva Sandhi. Okay. We apply Shutva Sandhi. So Sakara or Ta Varga letters, when they are followed by Shakara or Cha Varga letters, then the former Akshara is replaced by the latter. Means the former means either Sakara or Ta Varga will be replaced with Shakara or Cha Varga. So here we have the, which is a Ta Varga Akshara. It is followed by Shakara. So it has to be replaced with the Cha Varga letters. The one that is across the is Ja, right? So what will you get? Taj plus Shivaha. That is what we get. Then we apply Chartva Sandhi. Now in Taj, Jakara is also a Vargiya Vyanjanam. Okay, and it is again followed by Sh. It is still followed by Sh. So in place of the former Vargiya Vyanjanam, the first letter of the same Varga. So what is the first letter of the same Varga? It is Ch, the Alpa Prana Ch. So Tach, it will become Tach plus Shivaha. Now the Chatva Sandhi rule is applied. So what is Chatva Sandhi rule? When a Vargiya Vyanjanam is followed by a Shakara, which is further followed by a vowel or Hayavara, then the Shakara is replaced with Chakara. So Tachivaha. Tachivaha. That is how we get. Did you all understand the 3 steps? How Tad plus Shivaha became Tachivaha? There are 3 steps to this. Okay. The first one is we are applying Shutva Sandhi, where the Dakara turns into Jakara, with Shutva Sandhi, and then we are applying Chartva Sandhi, as per which the Jakara turns into Chakara, the Alpaprana Chakara. Okay, then we have Tach plus Shivaha. Now we apply the Chatva Sandhi, and then we get Tach Shivaha. The Shakara will be replaced with Mahaprana Chakara. So, Samir, did you understand?
Actually,
Yes, Devesh?
ma'am, I actually don't remember the sandhis properly, ma'am. I'm getting confused here.
No worries, no worries. So, that is why I explained the rule of each of these sandhis again. I explained the rule of Shutva Sandhi. Sakara and Ta Varga letters, when they are followed by Shakara and Cha Varga letters, then Sakara and Ta Varga letters will be replaced with Shakara and Cha Varga letters, right? So here Tad plus Shivaha we have. Here Dakara is there, which is a Ta Varga, right? It is followed by Shakara. So it is satisfying the rule of Shutva Sandhi. So Shutva Sandhi takes place. So what is right across Dakara? If you put Ta Varga and Cha Varga right across each other, the corresponding letter for Dakara is Ja, Jakara from Cha Varga, right?
Yeah.
So Dakara will be replaced with Jakara. So in the second step, we will get Taj plus Shivaha. Now, Taj plus Shivaha. Chartva Sandhi rule is met here. So we have a Vargiya Vyanjanam which is followed by a Shakara. So it will be replaced with the first letter of the same Varga, means Chakara, Alpaprana Chakara will come. Okay. Alpaprana Chakara will come. So Tach plus Shivaha it becomes Tach Shivaha. Now the rule for Chatva Sandhi is met, in which the Shakara will be replaced with Mahaprana Chakara. Okay, the Cha. That is how we get Tach Shivaha. Okay, 3 sandhis are being, before the Chatva Sandhi is applied, we have to do Shutva Sandhi and Chartva Sandhi. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. First we have to apply Chatva Sandhi, no ma'am?
Shutva Sandhi.
Chatva Sandhi. Then we have to apply another one. Then we have to apply Chatva Sandhi, no ma'am?
Yes.
Last we have to
Chatva Sandhi is applied third. The second one is Chartva Sandhi. If you are looking at your book, you have the book right with you?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you look there, the names of the sandhis are given. The first one is the Shutva Sandhi, then Chartva Sandhi, and then after applying those two, then we apply Chatva Sandhi, which we are doing right now.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay. So these sandhis can be really confusing. The rules of the sandhis can be really confusing, especially when you are reading it under Chatva Sandhi. Now it will appear as though we are able to understand it. Why? Because we are reading it under the title Chatva Sandhi. But imagine if you are given this Ut plus Shvasaha, just randomly you are given this word and you are asked to identify which sandhi takes place here. So our natural instinct will be, now Takara is there. So Ta Varga letter and followed by Sha. So Shutva Sandhi takes place. So Takara will become Chakara. So Uchshvasaha. So we'll stop it right there as per Shutva Sandhi. Okay. As per Shutva Sandhi, it will stop right there. But then there is still more to it. Here, the Chatva Sandhi, until the Chatva Sandhi, we have to take care. We have to go ahead and perform the Chatva Sandhi also. So this you will be able to do it only with practice. So where to do Chatva Sandhi, where to do Chartva, and where to stop it with the Shutva Sandhi. All this only with practice you will understand. Okay. And the words and how we learn the words, as we are reading more and more shlokas and prose or kavya kathas and all, then we will see the sandhis in application. So then it will become easy for us to identify the sandhis also. Okay. And especially how you will understand that is in Shutva Sandhi, it will be followed by, it will be usually followed by not only the Shakara, but also the Cha Varga letters, right? Not only Shakara, Cha Varga letters also will be there. So then you will stop it at Shutva Sandhi. If it is not followed by Cha Varga letters, if the Ta Varga letters are not followed by Cha Varga and only Shakara, then we have to move forward with Chartva Sandhi. Okay, and Chatva Sandhi. In that way, you remember. If it is being followed by either Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, and if it is matching, and if we get the after the Sandhi, if we get the same letter, okay, on left hand side and right hand side, then we need not do the Chatva Sandhi. Only if that inconsistency is still there, then we go ahead and do the Chatva Sandhi. Always remember, these sandhis are done. The rules for these sandhis many times are focused for ease of pronunciation. So when two letters which are in sandhi are not compatible, then there is still more steps. You can recognize it like that, whether you have to move ahead with Chartva Sandhi and Chatva Sandhi or stop it at Shutva Sandhi. Okay. In Shutva Sandhi, say for example, the words will be something like Sat plus Chit. Sat plus Chit. Okay. So here Takara is followed by Chakara. Okay. So as per Shutva Sandhi rule, the Takara of the first word will be replaced with Chakara. So Satchit. Now here already the two letters have become the same. So we need not apply anything else, right? And it won't even fit into the Chatva Sandhi rule, because as per Chatva Sandhi rule, it has to be followed by a Shakara or which is again followed by a vowel or Hayavara. It is not followed by a Shakara. So like that, every rule you have to see. Okay. So for that, we have to be thorough with the rules of the sandhis. Only then we will be able to figure out, which one is still applicable, which sandhi is still applicable at a certain point of time. So if if the sandhis are confusing, Devesh and Mahesh, you write the rules 5 times every day. 5 times of each sandhi, the rule of each sandhi, you write at least 5 times every day. You have to get it memorized in your mind. Only then it will come easily. Okay. Otherwise, we'll be studying what is the rule of Shutva Sandhi, what is Chartva Sandhi. We'll be taking time to figure out the rule itself. So application will not happen. It is like mathematics only. Even in mathematics, unless you know all the formulas, you cannot apply them. You cannot even identify which formula can be applied where, unless you are thorough with each formula and what parameters that each formula needs, right? So when a problem is given, you will see for all the variables that are given to you in the problem, and with those variables given, you will then know which formula to use, because there will be so many formulas that you can use in a particular problem. But you will be able to pick a formula only if you know what the formula is and what values should be given to that. Both you should know. So here also it is the same thing. When two words are given, when you look at the padanta of the first word and the first letter of the second word, immediately, only if you know the sandhi rules, you will know to which sandhi these two letters will match. Accordingly, only we'll be able to apply that rule of that sandhi. So memorizing the rules is very important here of the sandhi rules. And when something is confusing, writing it down several times is the only way you can overcome that confusion. Okay. So you practice writing at least 5 times the rule of each sandhi every day until you overcome that confusion. Okay. There is no other shortcut for that. Okay. Anantaram. Tach plus Shivaha, that we did. Tad plus Shlokaha. Again, same. We have Dakara here. So with the Shtutva Sandhi, Dakara becomes Jakara, and then we apply Chartva Sandhi. So Jakara is replaced with the first letter of the same Varga, which is Chakara. So Tach plus Shlokaha, and now the Chatva Sandhi can be applied, and Shakara will be replaced with Chakara. So Tach Shlokaha, Tach Shlokaha. Okay. Anantaram we have Ut plus Shwasaha. Here we have Takara followed by Shakara, which is again followed by Va. Here it is not followed by vowel like in Shivaha. It is followed by Va. In the earlier word also Shlokaha, it is followed by La, right? Shlokaha. Lakara, Hayavar, vowel or Hayavara. Now Lakara is not there. So how can they apply Chatva Sandhi? That is something we need to see. Here in
స్వరం అన్నారు కదమ్మా, స్వరం గాని హయవర గాని ఏదైనా అక్షరం ఉండొచ్చు అని రాశాడమ్మా.
Shakara should be followed by either a vowel or Hayavara.
ఇక్కడ ఓవెల్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ
శ్లోకాలో ముందు లకారం వచ్చింది కదా,
లకారం వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ శ్వాకి ఆకారం ఉంది, స్వరం కదమ్మా అది.
శ్లోక అక్కడ షకార సగమే ఉంది, అకారం లేదు.
శ్లోక అక్కడ లకారం వచ్చింది, అక్కడ ఇక్కడ శ్వాసలో వకారం వచ్చిందమ్మా.
శ్వాసలో ఉంది, శ్వాస ఇస్ ఫైన్. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ శ్లోక. ఇన్ శ్లోక
శ్లోకలో లకారం వచ్చింది కదమ్మా, షా తర్వాత లకారం వచ్చింది కదా, హయా వార లా 5 అక్షరాలు అక్కడ.
ఓ లా ఇస్ ఆల్సో గివెన్,
లా కూడా ఉందమ్మా అందులో.
ఉందా? ఇన్ ద రూల్ ఇస్ లా ఆల్సో గివెన్. ఓకే,
లా ఆల్సో ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద పార్ట్,
in the rule.
No. Rule.
Yeah.
In my book, it's not there. In my book, it's
no. It's written by mistake. హాయ్, హా కమ, యా కమ, వా కమ, రా రాసేసి లా మాత్రం తెలుగులో రాశాడు, లా రాసి లో అని రాశాడు. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్స్ సపోజ్ టు హా, యా, వా, రా, లా.
ఓకే,
లా కూడా ఉంది మన గ్రూప్ లో ఉంది.
Okay. So make a note of that also. Lakara.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
So Shakara is followed by Lakara, and so it meets the condition for Chatva Sandhi. So we will get Tat Shlokaha, and then Ut plus Shwasaha. Takara followed by Shakara. So Chatva Sandhi takes place. Takara is replaced with Chakara. Uch plus Shwasaha. Here we don't have to go further with Chatva Sandhi. We can directly apply Chatva Sandhi. Okay, Chakara followed by Shakara. So Shakara will be replaced with Chakara. Already we have the Varga, the first letter of the Varga, Chakara, Uch, right? So we don't have to apply Chatva Sandhi here. And then Anantaram Vit plus Shankaraha. So Takara followed by Shakara. Here again, Takara is again the first letter of the Ta Varga. So we don't have to undergo with Chatva Sandhi, right? And Shtutva Sandhi also does not apply here. Why? Because it is Ta is not a part of Sakara or Ta Varga. So that will not apply. It will Shtutva Sandhi also will not apply. Why? Because in Shtutva Sandhi, on the left hand side we need to have Sakara and Ta Varga only. Only on the right hand side it will be Shakara and Ta Varga. So Shtutva Sandhi rule does not apply, Shtutva Sandhi rule does not apply, and Chatva Sandhi rule also does not apply. So here for this combination only Chatva Sandhi is happening. So Takara, which is the Vargiya Vyanjana, is followed by Shakara, which is again followed by Akara, Shankara. So Sha has Akara in it, which is a vowel. So the Chatva Sandhi rule is satisfied here. So with Shankara. So the Shakara is replaced with Chakara. The Ta will remain intact. No change for it. Okay. With Shankara. And then Vak plus Shastram. In Vak, Kakara is again the first letter of the Varga. So we won't have Chutva Sandhi or Chatva Sandhi. Directly, we will apply Chatva Sandhi. So Vak Shastram. Vak Shastram. Only the Shakara will be replaced with the Mahaprana Chakara. Okay, so if the left hand side, though it is a Vargiya Vyanjana, if it is the first letter of that Varga, then we can directly apply Chatva Sandhi. Only if it is, third letter of a Varga, then we have to think of applying Chutva Sandhi and Chartva Sandhi, depending on the factors, what alphabet is there. Let us look at more examples. Tat plus Shrutva. Again, here Shutva Sandhi rule is satisfied. So Takara will be replaced with Chakara, and after that we can directly apply Chatva Sandhi. So Tach plus Shrutva. The Shakara will be replaced with Mahaprana Chakara. So Tat Shrutva. And then Tat plus Sheelam. Again, Shutva Sandhi and Chatva Sandhi. Tat Sheelam. Brihat plus Shakatam. Now I want each of you to explain how with which Sandhi, which letters are being replaced with what. Okay, Brihat plus Shakatam. Devesh, can you explain? Devesh, are you there? You're on mute.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Brihat plus Shakatam. Explain that. Come on, tell. The first left hand side we have Takara, and on the right hand side we have Shakara. So it is satisfied.
Yeah, so first of all, it will be Chatva Sandhi, and the Takara will be turned.
Wait. It will be Shutva Sandhi.
Basically, the rule where the Sakara and Tavarga letters are followed by
Shakara and
Chavarga. Yeah, Chavarga, and they're converted into Chakara, Chavarga letters. So this will become into Cha. And then the Chatva Sandhi will take place, and it will become Tachila.
We are doing Brihat plus Shakatam. So Brihat Shakatam. Yeah. Tachilam also same thing. Same
Brihat Katakam. Sorry.
Brihat Shakatam. Okay. Uttama. Anantaram, Samir, can you tell Mahat plus Shastram?
Yes. So, ma'am, the first on the left hand side there is a Kakara, ma'am. So it is followed by a Shakara. So Shutva Sandhi takes place, ma'am. So it becomes Chakara. Ma'am, after that the second one I'm not getting the rule, ma'am. I'm not memorizing.
Then directly the condition for Shatva Sandhi is being satisfied. We have Mahach plus Shastram. So a Vargiya Vyanjana is followed by Shakara, which is further followed by Akara, which is a vowel. So we have the rule for Chatva Sandhi satisfying. Okay. So Mahat Shastram it becomes, because Takara is replaced with Chakara, which is the first letter of the Cha Varga. As long as we have the first letter of a Varga on the left hand side, we don't have to worry about Chartva Sandhi. Directly we can do Chatva Sandhi. Okay. Chartva Sandhi comes only to replace the third letter of a Varga with the first letter of a Varga anytime. Okay. In that way you remember. So here we already have Mahach plus Shastram. So Mahat Shastram. So that Chartva Sandhi step can be skipped here. Okay. Anantaram Priya Bhagini, Mrit plus Shakatikam.
I'll try. Mrit plus Shakatikam. So on the left hand side you have a this one. That is will it be Shtutva Sandhi?
Shtutva Sandhi.
So it becomes Shtutva Sandhi, that becomes Mrich plus Shakatikam, and then directly Chatva Sandhi. So it becomes Mritchakatikam.
As per Chatva Sandhi, the Shakara is replaced with Chakara.
Chakara, yeah. Shakara. So here it will be the Stutva Sandhi and the Chatva Sandhi.
Yes.
They won't be the Chartva Sandhi.
Chartva Sandhi will not happen here. So Mritchakatikam. Mritchakatikam. That is how we get that. Very good. Anantaram Mahodaya, Gachat plus Chatraha.
ఇది ఛాత్రహ అనేది ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లోకి రాదు కదమ్మా ఇది.
Here Chatva Sandhi cannot happen.
చకారం లేదు దానికి. కాకపోతే ఇది శుద్ధ సంధి ఒకటే వస్తుంది ఇందులో. గచ్చత్ గచ్చత్ బికమ్స్ గచ్చత్ ప్లస్ ఛాత్రహ. అదే డైరెక్ట్ గచ్చత్ ఛాత్రహ.
Yes. So here in Gachat, correct.
చత్వ సంధి రాదు అనుకుంటానండి ఇక్కడ.
రాదు. Chatva Sandhi will not happen. So Gachat plus Chatraha, Takara we have on the left hand side.
Becomes Chakara by Shtutva Sandhi. Then it becomes Gachat Chatraha.
That's all. Only Shtutva Sandhi happens here. Correct. So did you understand Devesh and Samir how the Gachat and Chatraha here? Only Shtutva Sandhi happens. Chatva Sandhi does not happen. Why? Because on the right hand side we don't have either Shakara or any of the letters Hayavara. Sorry, we don't have Shakara. Shakara only if we have Shakara. That's it. Okay.
And Chatva Sandhi is only used to make the third for the letter, the first one, right?
Chartva Sandhi.
Chatva Sandhi. Okay.
Bhagini here, so the first one Gachat plus Chatraha. So the first one will be Shtutva Sandhi or
Shtutva Sandhi only.
Shtutva kada Shtutva.
No, why Shtutva? Because Ta Varga is followed by Cha Varga. So it is Shtutva only.
Ta Varga is followed by Cha Varga. Okay. Shtutva. Okay.
Shtutva. No. Shtutva.
Yeah, Shtutva.
You are pronouncing that. That is why.
No, Shtutva. It is really tongue twister only for me.
Yeah, because if you say Shtutva, then it becomes that second Sandhi. Then Ta Varga is followed by Ta Varga. Yeah.
By Ta Varga.
Shtutva.
Shtutva.
Anantaram we have Abhavat plus Shivam. Again Devesh.
In this case, Abhavat plus Shivam. First of all, the Chutva Sandhi will happen, making it Abhavat plus Shivam.
Okay.
And then the Chatva Sandhi will take place. And it will become Abhavat
Shivam.
So as per Chatva Sandhi, what changes have happened here?
Ma'am, the Shakara has been changed to Chakara. That's it.
Very good. Okay. Anantaram Samir, Shrimat plus Sharat Chandraha.
First of all, ma'am, Shtutva Sandhi is going to take place, ma'am, making it the Takara to Chakara, ma'am.
Okay.
Then I think directly Chatva Sandhi takes place, ma'am.
Yes, correct.
Directly Chatva Sandhi takes place, and Srimat
Charat Chandraha.
Directly Chatva Sandhi takes place.
So as per Chatva Sandhi, what happened here? What letter changed into what letter?
Shakara changed into Chakara, ma'am.
Ah, very good, very good, very good. And in the, within the Sharat Chandraha also there is again there is Shtutva Sandhi, Sharat plus Chandraha, right?
Oh yes, yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Okay. Anantaram, Natad plus Shankaraha. Priya Bhagini?
Natad plus Shankaraha. So this which sandhi will come?
So we have Dakara,
Again,
which is which
yeah,
Varga letter is it?
this is the
Ta Varga letter.
Ta Varga, yeah, Ta Varga.
Followed by Shakara.
Shakara. So, Ta Varga followed by Shakara. So will it be the Shtutva Sandhi?
Correct. Shtutva Sandhi. Not Shtutva. Shtutva.
Again, Shtutva only.
Then after applying Shtutva Sandhi, what will we get here?
Now.
The will be replaced with
Ja.
Yes, correct. So
Nataj plus Shankaraha.
Correct. Then which Sandhi will be applied?
Then the Chartva Sandhi.
Correct.
Chartva Sandhi. So it becomes Natach Shankara. Natach. Natach Shankaraha.
Correct.
Okay. This is very confusing.
So here a Vargiya Vyanjana. Nataj. The Jakara is a Vargiya Vyanjana. It is followed by Shakara. Right? Is followed by a Karkasha Vyanjana. So a Karkasha Vyanjana means the first two letters of any Varga or Sha, Sha, Sa. So since it is followed by Sha, which is a Karkasha Vyanjana, the former, in place of the former Vargiya Vyanjana, the first letter of the same Varga will be replaced. It will be replaced with the first letter of the same Varga. Now here we have Jakara. Jakara is of Cha Varga. So Cha will come in place of Ja. So we will have Natach plus Shankaraha. After applying Chartva Sandhi, Nataj plus Shankaraha will become Natach plus Shankaraha. Now the rule for Chatva Sandhi is ready. And after applying Chatva Sandhi, the Shakara will be replaced with Chakara. So Natat Shankaraha.
Shankara. Natat Shankara.
Okay. Anantaram. Sat plus Sheelam. Mahodaya?
Sat plus Sheelam. First Shtutva Sandhi happens. That becomes Saj plus Sheelam. Then we have Chartva Sandhi. Jakaram becomes Chakaram. Sach plus Sheelam. Then we have this Chartva Sandhi. That becomes Sach plus Sheelam. So
no, Chartva Sandhi. No, Chartva Sandhi will not happen here. Only Shtutva Sandhi and then directly Chatva Sandhi.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Shtutva Sandhi, yeah, correct. Such plus Sheelam it becomes.
Yes, because already we have the first letter of the Varga.
Correct.
Okay.
Sorry.
No worries. So now again Abhyasa also is there. Split the Sandhis and name them. Aham karomi. So now this need not be only from this chapter. The words can be from other chapters also. From other Sandhis also. Aham karomi. Devesh, can you tell?
Aham plus karomi.
What is the name of the Sandhi? You have to have the list of all the Sandhis and the rules. Then it will become easy for you to see which the name of the Sandhis. So here it is aham, means makara is there. Aham plus karomi. Okay, and we are joining the two words. So since the anuswara is followed by ka, the varga panchamakshara of the ka varga will replace the anuswara. Okay, so that is why we get aham karomi. This is parasavarna sandhi. Anantaram Samir.
I have to do all the sandhis once, ma'am.
Yes, you have to do. Definitely, because it is not only about this level, Shiksha level. Only when you know the sandhis well, in the shlokas, it will become easy for us to split the words which are in sandhi. Okay, in the right way. Only when we split them in the right way, the meaning also we will be able to get correctly. So in that aspect, sandhis are very, very, very important. So I cannot stress enough for you to practice these. So Samir, Sachit.
Yes, 1 minute. Sat. Sat plus chit, ma'am. Sat plus chit.
Correct. With which sandhi?
No. Shrutvam. Shrutvam sandhi.
Shutva.
Shrutva sandhi, ma'am.
Because tha varga is followed by cha. So tha is replaced with cha varga. So it is Shutva sandhi, simple Shutva sandhi. Anantaram.
It's hard to pronounce it.
Shutva sandhi. Uddayate. Priya Bhagini. Uddayate.
Ud plus dayate.
Hmm.
No, the sandhi. Ud plus dayate.
Ut plus dayate.
Oh, this is
Ut plus dayate.
Ut plus dayate or ud plus dayate, because that is the third. That is replaced by the last.
See, if you take ut plus dayate, if you take ut plus dayate, you are going one step back and explaining from the very beginning. If you simply take ud plus dayate, you have skipped one part. That is the only difference. Both are correct. If you take ut plus dayate, first you have to tell the Shtutva sandhi. Ut plus dayate, takara is followed by dakara. So this is Shtutva sandhi. Okay, the ta varga letters are followed by ta varga letters. So the ta varga will be replaced with ta varga. So ut takara will become takara, right? And then again we will apply dakara or ut plus. So
now I was looking at the looking at the letter that was replaced. So it's the third letter that is replaced. So when according to that Shtutva sandhi, so that is where you replace the third letter, isn't it? So
no, not Shtutva sandhi. That is Chartva sandhi, where the third letter will be replaced with the first letter. That is Chartva sandhi. But here ut, one second, ut plus dayate. Okay, takara will be replaced with takara as per Shtutva sandhi. So you will get ut plus dayate.
Ut plus dayate.
Ut plus dayate you will get. But then here Jashtva sandhi will apply. Here again for the ta to become da, Jashtva sandhi will come. Okay. Gajadadaba. In Telugu we call this sandhi as Gajadadaba sandhi also. Okay. So here the Jashtva sandhi rule is when a vargiya vyanjanam, except the varga panchamaksharani, okay, is followed either by a vowel or a soft consonant. Okay. So da is a soft consonant. Only the first two letters of a varga are karkasha vyanjanas. The last three are mrudu vyanjanas. So da is a mrudu vyanjana. So when a vargiya vyanjanam when it is followed by a mrudu vyanjanam, it is replaced by the third letter of the same varga. Okay, so here the ta of ut will be replaced with the third letter of the same varga. So ta will become da. Okay, so here first shtutva sandhi happens. In this case, first shtutva sandhi happens and then jashtva sandhi happens. That's all. These are the two sandhis that happen.
Okay, okay. So it should be ud plus dayate or ut. So in this case, ut plus dayate.
Yes.
Because we are doing the first two sandhis.
Yes.
Okay. Shtutva and jashtva. Okay.
Yeah. There is another way you can look at it. Now, ut plus dayate, right? Ut plus dayate. Now here again the jashtva sandhi rule can be applied directly. Ut plus dayate. A vargiya vyanjanam is followed by a mrudu vyanjanam. So the vargiya vyanjanam ut ta will be replaced by the third letter of the same varga. Means
that is what I was going by. But I didn't know which.
Yeah. So you will get dakara there instead of takara, dakara. So ud plus dayate will come. Now again you will apply. Ud plus dayate. Then you will apply shtutva sandhi. Because dakara is followed by da. So ta varga letter is followed by da varga letter. So shtutva sandhi happens. And dakara will be replaced with the dakara. Okay. So in one case you can do it first shtutva sandhi and then jashtva sandhi, or you can apply jashtva sandhi first and then shtutva sandhi. Either way the result will be the same. So if you take ut plus dayate, then you apply shtutva sandhi first and then jashtva sandhi. If you take ud plus dayate, then jashtva sandhi first and then shtutva sandhi. Either way, the final result will be the same. Anantaram parishat karyam. Mahodaya.
This is parishad plus karyam. Parishad karyam. This one I think is chartha sandhi, madam.
Chartha sandhi.
Dakaram, parishad becomes takaram. That is, da is followed by karkasha vyanjanam. So it goes to that first letter of the vargam. That is takaram comes to parishad karyam.
Yes. Correct. Anantaram unnayanam. Devesh and Mahesh, unnayanam.
Ut plus nayanam.
Ut plus nayanam, you said?
No, I said ud plus nayanam.
Ud plus nayanam. Okay, so which sandhi will it become? Anunasika sandhi. Okay. And the rule of Anunasika sandhi is when a vargiya vyanjanam is followed by the fifth letter of any varga, means the anuswara, not anuswara, anunasika aksharas. Then the vargiya vyanjana will be replaced by the fifth letter of the same varga. Okay. So if you take ut or ud, either way, it doesn't matter because ta and da belong to the same varga. That will be replaced with nakara only. So unnayanam it will become. Okay. Anantaram. Mahadyashaha. Mahadyashaha. Samir?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Jasatvam Sandhi, no, ma'am. Jasatvam.
Jashtva.
Jashtva Sandhi.
You mean to say Jashtva, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am confused.
Okay. So what is the rule of Jashtva Sandhi?
In Jashtva Sandhi, ma'am, the should be followed by, no, the varga letter should be followed by ya, ra, lava, no, ma'am.
Soft consonant, basically. It should be followed by a vowel or a soft consonant. Okay. And under soft consonants, what are considered as soft consonants? The three letters, last three letters of each varga, and ya, va, ra, la, ha. Okay, these are considered as soft consonants, mridu vyanjanani. That is the rule for Jashtva Sandhi. If a vargiya vyanjana, except the varga panchamaksharani, is followed by either a vowel or a soft consonant, then it is replaced by the third letter of the same varga. Means that first letter is replaced by the third letter of the same varga. So here we have Mahat plus Yashaha. Okay. So the Takara will be replaced with the Dakara.
Yes, ma'am. So it becomes Mahadyaha.
As per Jashtva Sandhi. Okay, good. Anantaram Priya Bhagini. Tasmin api.
Tasmin api. Tasmin plus api.
Yes, correct.
Tasmin api. So this is na varga. This I learned only yesterday. Tasmin api. So is it that when this damudagama, yeah. So when that when the letters na, it is preceded by some hrasva swara and
yes.
followed by it is followed by swara, then there will be an addition to that the word that is the na, or that is the namuna gama sandhi.
Yeah. Yes.
Tasmin plus api.
Yes. So when the letters na, na and na are preceded by a hrasva swara, and when followed by any swara, then there will be doubling up of that word, of that letter.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. Anantaram etadhi. Mahodaya?
Etadhi.
Etadhi.
Yeah, okay. Etad plus etad plus V.
He. Mana Purva Savarna Sandhi. The one that we did in this lesson.
Then Vakara comes just nama dantloki.
Vakara.
Etadhi రావాలి కదా.
Etadhi ఉంది ఇక్కడ Vakara లేదు.
వకారం లేదు కదా.
లేదు.
ఏతద్వి అన్నట్టుగా వినపడింది అందుకోసం
ఏతద్ది.
ఏతద్ ప్లస్ హి. ఏతద్ది.
కరెక్ట్.
పూర్వ సవర్ణ సంధి.
అంతే, పూర్వ సవర్ణ సంధి. ఉత్తమం. అనంతరం సచ్చీలం. దేవేష్, సచ్చీలం.
This is Sat plus Sheelam. It is Shutva Sandhi followed by Chatva Sandhi.
Shutva Sandhi followed by Chatva Sandhi. Okay. Uttama. So as per Shutva Sandhi, the Takara will become Chakara. And then Sat plus Sheelam, right? Sheelam.
So Sheelam, the Sha will turn
Sha will become Chakara. Okay, very good. Anantaram Samir, Hari plus Vande. Hari Vande. Sorry, actually the word is Hari Vande. Actually there is a dot there, I think. The print is not clear in my book. Harim Vande. That is the word.
Ma'am, it is, I think it is split as harim plus Vande.
So when you split, you have to write makara.
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot put the dot. Okay, in the sandhi, there is dot. But once you split the sandhi, it will become harim. Makara will be there. This is anuswara sandhi.
In Anvarachnas also we do it like that only.
Yes. Okay. Then anantaram we have find the odd one in each group of words. Sangrahaha, Samskritam, Sangatihi, Sandeshaha. What is the odd man out here?
Sandesha, madam.
Sandeshaha. Why?
These are all, what are these? Anunaska Sandhis. These three.
Actually, Sandesha also is Anunasika. Only Samskritam, for Samskritam, there is no the Anunasika Akshara is not there. Anuswara is there. For the other three only, we have Anunasika Aksharas in all the other three.
Oh, okay.
So that is why they all belong. Samskritam is the odd man out here.
Okay.
Anantaram Digantaha, Ajantaha, Patanniva, Bhavadapi.
Here it should be Patanniva. Patanniva.
Patati plus Iva. Patat plus Iva. Patanniva.
Patan plus Iva. Patat plus Iva. Patat plus Ivana, Patan plus Ivana. Patan plus Iva.
Patan plus Iva, because it will be the Namudagama Sandhi.
Yes, then it will become Namudagama.
Namudagama Sandhi.
Namudagama. Bhavadapi.
Ach plus Antaha. Dik plus Antaha.
Dik plus Antaha.
Bhavat plus Api.
Bhavat plus Api.
So all those are Jashtva Sandhi.
Those three are one group.
So Patanniva is the only odd man out. Yes.
Yeah.
Anantaram Kurvanneva, Hasannapi, Patanniva, Bhavanapi.
Bhavanapi.
Correct.
That's easy.
The other.
Then Tanna, Tannama, Tadhanam, Tannagaram.
Tadhanam.
So it should be Tadhanam.
Tadhanam will be the odd man out here. Satkirtihi, Satphalam, Sadguruhu, Satkarma.
Ma'am,
Sadguruhu.
There is Sat in every
in Sadguru also, Sat plus Guru you can do, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When you split the word.
Yes.
Sad, maybe it will be Sad plus Guru.
But here we already have Sat and Takara did not change into Dakara. Here, though it is Satguru, the Takara again changed into Dakara. There is one more step. We can look at it like that. Okay. Anantaram Shuddhihi Tadhitam Etadhi Vagdhinaha.
Tatpasitam. Etati. Shuddhi is different.
Vag plus
Shuddhi is
Hinaha.
a single word.
Shuddhi
is a single word. It's not a Sandhi in the Shuddhi.
Yes. So Shuddhi is the odd man out. All the other three are Purva Savarna Sandhi.
Yeah.
Anantaram. Write the appropriate fourth word. Balika Sapta. Balika Sapta is a Shtutva Sandhi. Balikaha. Balikas plus Sapta. Okay. If you split it like that, Balikas plus Sapta. Shtutvam he says. Kanya Shodasha. What sandhi is that?
Shtutva sandhi, ma.
Shtutva sandhi. It is shtutva.
Shtutva. Shtutva.
Shtutva. So here, what will be the split? After we split, what will be the words in Kanya Shodasha?
Kanyas plus Shodasha.
Correct. Kanyas plus Shodasha. And that Kanyas also, that Sakara is from the Visarga. The Visarga is changed into Sakara.
Visarga changed it to this.
Sakara. And Sakara, then we'll get Kanyas plus Shodasha. And as per Shtutva Sandhi, the Sakara will change into Shakara. Anantaram, Ramam Vande, Anuswara Sandhi. Tallayaha. What Sandhi is that? Tallayaha.
Plus Layaha. Tat plus Layaha. This is sorry.
Tallayaha. Sallapaha. All these belong to Parasavarna Sandhi. Tallayaha, Sallapaha, Vidwang Likhati. Parasavarna Sandhi. And the rule is, the rule is when an Anuswara is followed by any consonant other than Sha, Sha, Sa and Ha, it is replaced by the fifth letter of that Varga. The Anuswara will be replaced by the fifth letter of that Varga. When it is followed by any consonant other than Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. So here what is the word that we have? Tat plus Layaha, right? Where were we? Tallayaha is here. So here Tat plus Layaha. So Vargiya Vyanjana is followed by any other consonant other than Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. Then it is replaced by the fifth letter of that Varga. Fifth letter of that Varga. Okay. This is the general rule. But when it is followed by La in particular, okay, if it is followed by La, then that Anunasika, the fifth letter means Anunasika. But if it is followed by La, then the what do you call that? Anunasika Shabda of the Lakara will come. Not because Lakara, it is followed by Lakara. Lakara does not have an Anunasika. It is not a Vargiya Vyanjana. So it won't have an Anunasika Shabda. So but it has a version of Anunasika Lakara is there. So with that it will be replaced. So it will become Tallayaha. Tat plus Layaha, Tallayaha. It is the name of the Sandhi is Parasavarna Sandhi. Anantaram. Shadananaha is Jashtva Sandhi. Shanmukhaha
will be Anunasika Sandhi.
Shanmukhaha is Anunasika Sandhi.
It will come Shat plus Mukhaha, isn't it? Shat
correct.
plus Mukhaha.
Correct. So because Vargiya Vyanjanam is followed by Anunasika Akshara, the Vargiya Vyanjana will be replaced by the fifth letter of that same Varga. So Shanmukhaha.
No.
Yeah, correct. Anantaram. Asmat Putraha is Shartva Sandhi. Rudannagataha.
Rudan Namuna Agama Sandhi.
Correct. Namudagama Sandhi. Rudan plus Agataha. Okay. Anantaram. Tadvaram is Jashtva Sandhi. Tatphalam.
Will this be Chartva Sandhi?
Chartva Sandhi. Tat plus phalam. Here a Vargiya Vyanjana is followed by a Karkasha Vyanjana. Is it Karkasha Vyanjana? Tat plus phalam. Yeah, pha is a Karkasha Vyanjana.
Yes, Karkasha
Then
and
in place of the former
Satva.
Vargiya Vyanjana, the first letter of the same Varga is substituted. So here we have to take it as Tad plus phalam. Then the Dakara will be replaced with the Takara. So Chartva will happen. Okay. Okay. So here again, join the words and name the sandhi. Ut plus chalanam.
Ut plus chalanam. Uchalanam.
Uchalanam.
Chalanam.
Simple Ut plus chalanam. Tavarga followed by Chavarga. So Chitva sandhi. So Uchalanam it becomes. Ut plus Havihi.
Ut plus Havihi.
Very good.
Uddhavihi.
Uddhavihi. Purva Savarna sandhi.
Purva Savarna sandhi.
Ut plus Shvasaha.
Ut plus Shvasaha. Ut plus Shvasaha. So first that will it be the same thing? Ut plus Shvasaha.
Again.
Shvasaha.
Correct.
We just learned that Chatva sandhi.
First Chutva sandhi happens,
Chutva
right?
sandhi happens. Yeah, and then
Chatva sandhi.
Sandhi.
So with this.
So when things like this happen, do we write first Chutva sandhi happens, yes, and then Chatva sandhi, or we just put the name Chatva sandhi? So if Chatva sandhi is, we have to
you
all
write
the
down
steps.
You write down Chutva sandhi and then Chatva sandhi.
Okay.
Names, ma'am.
Both the names.
What, Samir?
You have to write both the sandhis, ma'am.
Yes, you write both the sandhis. So with the Chutva sandhi, the Takara will change into Chakara and we get Uch plus Shvasaha. And then as per Chatva sandhi, we get the Shakara will be changed into Chakara. Like that you write. Anantaram. Ut plus Gharshanam.
Udgharshanam. Udgharshanam.
So this is Jashtva sandhi.
Jashtva sandhi.
Anantaram. Ut plus Tankanam.
Uttankanam. Uttankanam. So this will be Uttankanam.
Takara, Tavarga letter followed by Tavarga letter.
Shtutva sandhi. Shtutva sandhi.
Correct. Anantaram. Vanik plus Hasati. Vanig also you can take. Vanik also you can take. Vanig Hasati.
Vanig Hasati. Vanig Hasati. So it is Purva Savarna
sandhi. Correct. Anantaram. Vanik plus Dhavati. Jashtva sandhi, va? What will you get? The final word, what will you get?
Vanig Dhavati.
Vanig Dhavati.
Ma'am, it will come Vanigya or Vanig Dhavati.
Which sandhi did you say?
Jashtva
sandhi. So as per Jashtva sandhi, a Vargiya Vyanjana, when it is followed either by a vowel or a soft consonant, so dha is a soft consonant, ta, tha, da, dha. It is replaced by the third letter of the same Varga. So here you have to take it as Vanik plus Dhavati. Then Vanik plus Dhavati, the final word will be Vanig Dhavati. You take Dakara there. Like that. Anantaram Vanik plus Nama.
Vanik plus nama.
It is a Vargiya Vyanjana when followed by a Anunasika Akshara. Then the Vargiya Vyanjana also will be replaced with the Anunasika Akshara of the same Varga.
Oh, Anunasika Sandhi. So it will be Vaning Nama.
Correct. Vaning Nama. Anantaram. Vanik plus Shankaraha.
So,
here, correct. Only Chatva Sandhi will happen.
Yes,
Vanik Shankaraha.
Vanik Shankaraha.
Backwards to from like that, no?
Yes, yes, yes. Good. Anantaram Vanik Karoti.
Vanik Karoti. It will become
Vanik Karoti.
Vanik Karoti. Vanik Karoti. No. It is Vanik Karoti. It will be, I thought, one of those initial sandhis. Chartva Sandhi, maybe.
Chartva Sandhi. So as per Chartva Sandhi, when a Vargiya Vyanjana is followed by Karkasha Vyanjana, here Vanik plus Karoti. So Ka is Karkasha Vyanjana. Then in place of the former Vargiya Vyanjana, the first letter of the same Varga.
First letter of the.
So we have to take this as Vanig plus Karoti. Then we will get Vanik Karoti. The Ga will be replaced with the Ka. Okay, Ga will be replaced with Ka. And we'll get Vanik Karoti. Anantaram, match the following. Patadamarukam. Which sandhi is that? Patan plus Damarukam, right?
Patan plus Damarukam.
Patat plus Damarukam. Not Patan. Patat plus Damarukam. Tavarga plus Tavarga. So it is a Shtutva Sandhi.
Shtutva Sandhi.
Shtutva Sandhi. Samrad Hasati. Samrad plus Hasati.
Hasati.
This is Purva Savarna.
Purva Savarna.
Anantaram. Yes, Samir.
Ma'am, the first one is
Pra plus Eva.
Shtutva Sandhi. Anantaram. Prageva. Prag plus Eva.
Jashtva. This is Jashtva Sandhi.
Jashtva Sandhi, yes. Anushtup Chandaha.
Anushtup Chandaha. Anushtup Chandaha.
Anuštub plus Chandaha.
Anuštub plus Chandaha. Yeah.
It is either E or ma'am. Chatvam or
it's
what
Namudagama.
Namudagama.
For Prageva?
No.
Chatvam, ma'am. Maybe Chatvam. It is Chatvam.
No, which word are you talking about, Samir? Are you talking about Anushtup Chandaha or Prageva?
Anushtup Chandaha, ma'am.
Okay. Anushtup Chandaha.
Anushtup Chandaha is Chartva Sandhi. Anushtup plus Chandaha.
For Namudagama, it should be followed by a Anunasika Shabda. Otherwise, you won't get, right?
Okay, ma'am.
No. It has to be followed by any swara, any vowel. So this second word is Chandaha. It is not starting with a vowel. So Namudagama Sandhi does not happen there. It is Chartva Sandhi only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Fourth one only, no, ma'am.
Fourth. Anushtup Chandaha is Chartva Sandhi. Anantaram Gachan Asti.
I was confused with the
This
rules.
is Namudagama.
This is Namudagama. Gachan plus Asti. So this is Namudagama. Anantaram Dinnagaha.
It's Anunasika Sandhi.
Anunasika Sandhi, va? Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it's the Anunasika Sandhi.
Once again, tell me the
Dik plus Nagaha.
rules. Parasavarna Sandhi rules once.
Parasavarna Sandhi rule.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Which two are you asking? Parasavarna and?
Anunasika, ma'am.
Okay. Parasavarna is when an anuswara is followed by any consonant other than the sha, sa and ha, then it is replaced by the fifth letter of that varga.
Okay, the ending letter of that varga. Okay.
When anuswara is, means anuswara means dot.
Dots, yes.
Okay. When anuswara is at the end of a word, then the sandhi may or may not happen.
Okay, ma'am.
And if it is followed by a lakara, then that suitable, that lakara instead of anunasika akshara, we have to use that anunasika version of lakara. Okay, like tat plus layaha.
So then it will become for la, what is it?
Tat plus layaha, tal layaha, like that it becomes.
Okay, ma'am, the same. Okay. Understood.
But you have to make a slight anunasika sound also. Tanlayaha, like that. Then anunasika sandhi is when a vargiya vyanjana is followed by any letter. When it is followed by the anunasika akshara of any varga. It can be of any varga. Then this first vargiya vyanjana will be replaced by the anunasika akshara of the same varga.
So, ma'am, if suppose there is like the first letter should the first words ending letter should be followed by a anunasika shabda.
Correct.
Anunasika word. So
correct.
Letter.
Correct.
Then it turn to its anunasika letter.
Correct.
Right, ma'am?
Correct. Correct.
Understood.
So dik plus nagaha is a perfect example for that. Dik plus nagaha. Din nagaha. So ka is replaced with the anunasika akshara of its own varga.
It is understood.
So that is why it is anunasika sandhi. Then sampadayati.
Ma'am, this is also parasavarna sandhi, no, ma'am?
Correct. Parasavarna sandhi. Some plus.
Some plus
Yeah, 7. Anantaram. Ramaschinoti.
Chuttu sandhi, ma'am. The only one left is Chuttu sandhi, but I don't understand how.
Chutvam. So Ramaha, Ramas plus Chinoti.
Ramas plus Chinoti.
So Sakara is followed by Chakara.
Okay.
So it is satisfying the condition for Chutva sandhi.
Understood, ma'am. Understood.
I'm
not getting how to split the words, ma'am, according to the sandhi.
So that only when you are comfortable with the rules, you will know how to split them.
Understood, ma'am. Understood.
Because when after we split, we have to make sure it fits into some sandhi rule, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are not, because initially we won't be comfortable with the vocabulary. We don't have much vocabulary. When after splitting, we won't know if the word is if we split it correctly or not. So by memorizing the rules, we can see if it is starting with the correct alphabet or not as per the rules. Like we have to do some reverse engineering.
Understood, ma'am. Understood.
Okay.
If we do it wrong, the entire thing will be wrong, ma'am.
Yes, yes, correct. Huh? Okay, okay, okay. సమీర్ మీ అమ్మమ్మ గారి కంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమ్మా.
సరే మ్యామ్.
అప్పుడు నీకు ముందు ఆ అమ్మమ్మకి వచ్చినా రాకపోయినా ముందు నీకు తరువు అయిపోతావు.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. సో shall we continue or shall we start sixth lesson next week?
Ma'am, if we get one song, if we can get one
Next
song.
week, Bhagini, because this is a little bit,
Yes,
we need
yes.
little bit practice on this. This is
Sure.
a little bit overwhelming.
Sure. No worries. So practice the sandhis very well. We have completed 5 lessons so far. So I would like to give a quiz actually next week. Since we completed 5 lessons, which is half the syllabus, we'll have a quiz next week. Okay?
So only quiz, ma'am, next
Okay.
week.
Only Vyakarana.
Only Sandhi
Next
and,
week.
Anvayarachna, ma'am.
Sandhi and on Sandhis and the Vyakarana means the grammar, means the Shatranta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? And the following week we'll have it on the other Subhashita, Sanvaya, all that.
Okay, ma'am. Understood. Ma'am, if
Next
we
week
can
might be.
1 second, Samir.
Yes.
Yeah, Priya Bhagini.
That's okay. Let him complete.
Okay,
I'm
Samir,
sorry.
you were saying?
Can we complete Shatranta Strilinga Shabda, ma'am, now, ma'am? Because maybe next week I can't make it to the class, ma'am. Maybe.
Okay.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
that is fine. Even though you are not able to make it, you will have the recording.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. You can follow up with the recording because in half an hour we cannot complete it completely anyways. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next week, if you cannot make it, you will miss the quiz.
Yes, ma'am. I have a match or something like that, so I have to see, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. Okay, Priya Bhagini, you were saying?
Yeah, I was also having a similar issue. Next week I'm having guests over. My parents
Okay, then
are
we can
coming
skip.
over, so I don't.
Then we can skip next week's class. If 2 of you are not making it, we can skip the class and we can have the next following week. You let me know the
Sure.
update. Okay. Both Samir and
Yes,
Priya
sure,
Bhagini, both of you let me know the status if you are able to come or not. Depending on
Yes,
that, we'll decide whether to have the class or not.
I will
Sure.
I will tell it to you by Sunday, ma'am. Sunday
Okay.
it will be.
Okay. Dhanyavadah.
Sure. ధన్యవాదాలు భగిని. శుభరాత్రి.
Shubharatri.
Good night, madam.
Good night, Andy.